Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me saying welcome. Actually, it's a voiceless audio that I made, but I was talking in the camera. I had to take the audio out. Guess what, guys? I got my mic. Yeah. So now I can make good video without having to worry about my audio effect and all those things. Presently, I'm making the voiceover with my mic, and this is me excitedly showing you guys my mic. You know, the joy cannot be contained. You can say it all over. I just couldn't hold it in. I said, let me unbox it with you guys. So, guys, share in my joy. So, you know, your girl is still going to be a baby. This is me breaking out the bubbles. So I finally unboxed it, and this ad mics, this so cute. This is like one of another happy moment for me, guys. There's nothing as sweet as unboxing things though. I felt so happy. I felt so fulfilled. I felt like I'm just going to be posting videos all and all. I don't know if you are somebody that rejoices with people that are happy. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section, because it's only me that's going to tell you my story, and I'll tell you the right way. And I found out that it came with the charger. I never knew they charge it. I thought it's something you just use. Oh, guy. But anyway, I found out that there's a charger there, and immediately I went to fix it just to get it charged. And I charged it. So, guys, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Like, I am so happy about it. I'm
shy.
sharing
Like,
with you
I'm
guys my
very shy.
story. I'm just sharing with you guys my happy moment. Just ensure you
Guys, you
listen
see,
and leave a comment. It's not easy. Okay, I know for a very long time I've always complained about the volume of my recording going high and low, and I'm not happy about it. And that is the reason why I've not posted long form videos and all that. But since I'm here with my mic, guys, you're just gonna get a whole lot of me. Yeah, we're just going to be moving from vlog to um storytelling and to my regular teaching online. So if you're anticipating that, stay glued to my channel, because guys, because of you guys, I got this. So I got this because of you guys. So make sure you guys are coming back to watch the video. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel. Make sure you're sharing to your friends to come and watch with you also, because girl, your girl went up and beyond. You know this to speak the English. I just went over just to get the mic so that I can have a stable. Oh, because of the mic, English English is suffering, but anyways, so I can have a stable video. Like, even me, I don't even enjoy watching myself when I make my video and I'm hearing the voice going, and what then, and then it's exhausting. It's not, it's not, in fact, it's reducing my steez. So I just had to pause. It's cheap. Oh, this thing is cheap. I got it during the, what do you call it? Jumia Black Friday. Even that Black Friday, say I don't even understand whether it's black, because it's still this almost the same price. Don't know what they now cut out to. They're not telling me it's Jumia Black Friday. They cut out something, and however, I still got it 10,000 naira. And on the normal, it's 10,000 naira. So I don't know. But anyways, I just closed my eyes to get it. So if you want to get your mic, please get yours, because it is still worth it at the long run. Having a clear video, having to have a good conversation with your audience is is not negotiable. Just buy it. Omo, To be honest, before I could fix this thing, at some point I was like, I'm going to return this to the Jumia, or there's they have an office where I went to get it, like for delivery. And I was telling myself that I'm going to return it. I can't deal. Before I could fix this, I even had to watch a video. Hey, I had to watch video on YouTube just to fix this. But anyway, I got this fixed. The happy thing is I won't be I won't be stressing you guys. I won't be stressing you guys ears again when you want to watch my video and you'll be interested in watching my video. Don't worry. I'll try my best not to always be like this. At least I'll hang it somewhere here. Maybe I'll put it here. I'm just happy, guys. I'm happy. If you're happy for me, leave a comment. Tell me congratulations. And yeah, I have a video on unboxing my lapel mic. Is that what they call itself? Wireless microphone, kind of. I don't know. For some reason, I call it lapel mic. What's lapel mic? Anyways, mic. I made a video on unboxing my mic with me. And guys, guess what? I had a lot of unboxing lately. I'm just going to make a compilation of them. Then I'll be posting it. There's something I'm trying to get before the end of December because I want to get it before the year finally comes to a wrap. So when I finally, if I'm able to get it, because I've really spent a lot of money within the past 3 months, considering the fact that your girl ain't get a lot of money. I'm just hoping on you guys to help me make my money. So if you want to help your girl, please help. You watching my video is going to do a lot for me. Okay, thanks to the subscriber who has been subscribing. But guys, if you watch my video, it's going to do a lot for me. I'm not going to be able to afford things I want to afford. And talking about affording things, I think that to be a story for another day. It to be a story we'll have to talk about affording things. Oh, clock it. Honestly, hmm. Girl, if you are able to afford your own thing by yourself, you don't know what God has done for you. You're not struggling. You don't know what God has done for you. Trying to change the lighting. I think it's better. Some girls, it's in no way easy to be a girl.